Smash the stage right here on this very stage with the guitar solo. However, I fucking suck at playing the guitar, like really bad. So, what I need from you guys is when I start playing guitar solo, I need you to cheer, to encourage me. I mean, that way one of two things will happen. Either the state will collapse around us, or you won't be able to hear what I'm playing on the guitar, which would be better. So, let's see what happens. You guys ready for that? You gonna help me out? The song's called Sons of Liberty. But a sorry cloud of tyranny has fallen across the land, brought on by the hollow men who did not understand. For centuries of forefathers have fought and never died to keep themselves and to themselves, to fight the rising tide. But I think for this battles we surrender to the state. We enter in the darkness once we never shall escape. Raise their hands up. Should be the only law across the land, the law of all King Alfred's time, and free and honest man. The people then they understood what we have since forgot, that the government can only work for its own benefit. And brothers stand and make it against the elements alone, and give the whole of men the right to enter in my home. Raise their hands up, our rights to
business or your name. Time to go and fuck yourself, tell his friends to do the same.
is a man who traded his liberty for a safe and dreamless sleep. Doesn't deserve the both of them, and neither shall he keep.